The Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, also known as SNAP, helps thousands of low-income Fairfax County residents with their food purchases each month. SNAP benefits are not limited to grocery stores. In fact, many Fairfax County farmers markets and Arcadia mobile market stops allow you to use your benefits to buy fresh, healthy, locally grown food. Let's learn how it's a SNAP to eat fresh. Once you arrive at the farmer's market, it's a good idea to walk around and decide how much you want to spend. Then locate the Market Master tent or table. Market staff will swipe your electronic benefits transfer or EBT card for the amount you request. In exchange, market staff will give you wooden tokens worth $2 each, plus any matching dollar tokens that you are eligible for. Matching dollar tokens are a different color and size from the regular tokens and may only be redeemed for fruits and vegetables. Use the matching dollars to help your family eat healthier and to get more from your food budget. You may then use your tokens to purchase SNAP-approved food items like fruits, vegetables, meats, and eggs. You can find a complete list of approved and non-approved items at the Market Master booth. You may also purchase plants that grow food, such as tomato or herb plants. Treat your tokens like cash. If lost, they cannot be replaced. If you have any further questions, your market masters are there to help. Farmers markets currently accepting SNAP benefits in Fairfax County are Lorton, Reston, Herndon, and the McCutcheon-Mount Vernon Market. All 4 of these locations have a matching dollar program. The farm stand at Frying Pan Farm Park accepts SNAP benefits but does not have a matching dollar program. The Arcadia Mobile Market accepts SNAP benefits and offers matching dollars. The mobile market stops can change from year to year, so make sure you check their website for the latest updates. For more information, call 703-642-0128 or go online to fairfaxcounty.gov/parks/farmersmarkets. Using your benefits to eat fresh and healthy? Now that's a SNAP.